Google Maps just recently launched an air quality overlay on their map so you can check in a glance the air quality in your area. Is it reliable? Let's see. Have you ever wondered about the air quality in your area but you happen to not have any air quality monitor? Don't worry, Google have new overlay features on their map that enables you to check out the air quality. Let's talk about this new Google feature. So Google recently introduced an air quality feature that overlays pollution levels directly onto their map. It's a really incredible idea because now not only we can see traffic, but we also have access to air quality data right at our fingertips. The question is it reliable or not? When we compared Google's data to our own air quality monitor in New Delhi, the results were vastly different. Numbers showed by Google's AQI compared to our monitor is quite different. Both are actually unhealthy. But why the discrepancy? Is Google's data misleading or there's more to the story? For example, during the nearby wildfires, the air quality can change drastically within hours. Like in Google's data can actually mean stepping outside or staying saved indoor. The difference also comes from how air quality is measured. Platforms like AirNow often use rolling average to smooth sudden spikes, while others like AirGradient focus on live data. On top of that, Google blends sources. Sometimes, a single reading could be part satellite data and part ground monitor. But we don't know how this is weighted, and that makes it tricky to interpret. Even the air quality index itself matters. Google uses the US EPA AQI, which is stricter than many local indexes. If you're comparing Google Maps to a local platform, make sure they're using the same scale, or the result won't be accurate. Now let's compare the pros and cons. Pro number 1, it's very easy to use. It's basically accessible and built right onto the app that many of us already use. Second, it provides coverage even in areas without ground sensors, thanks to satellite data. And the third, it accounts for hyperlocal pollutions like traffic hotspot. But there are also some drawbacks with it. First, there's no historical data, so you cannot track trends over the time. 2, it's limited transparency. How each data point is calculated isn't very clear. There's no breakdown in specific pollution, which many other platforms offer. Well, for the most accurate and hyperlocal data, a personal air quality monitor is still the gold standard. These devices track the air you're actually breathing and not what's happening a few kilometers away. So now comes to the conclusion. Google Maps Air Quality Overlay is actually a great tool for casual use and raising awareness. But if you need detailed or real-time data platform like AirGradient or your own monitor can be a better option. By using personal monitors, you can even contribute to platforms like AirGradient and help improve global air quality data. So, have you tried this Google's new air quality map feature? If you like this video and you want us to discuss anything about air quality, just drop your topics on the comment section.